incoming second year. Itong si, or second year na po. Ito si Faye Sagaysay, who's done a great job as the center. Para kay Coach JP Yude. Great block by Padilla. Where will they go? Segi, inangat ni Nitura. Panangin na ilusot sa depensa. Another second year player para dito sa Adamson. Nitura, naitulak kontra sa kanyang batang kapatid. I'll try again to Judiel and she gets it off the hands of Shaina. Taking the place of Mayang Nike in the Adamson lineup. Martin. Sagaysay setting it across. Shaina. And sa sobrang simple, yan na, may bumagsak na na. Actually cost Arellano the first set, or second set, rather third set rather, nung umamin. Wow, what a block from Francis. 5-0 ang kanilang record. Samantala ito namang Letran, 2 wins, 2 losses. Martin straight into the block of MG Del Moral. Pa sila.
Talaga ba?
Oo, ganda. Sabay-sabay pa yung sayaw nila. May mga solo pa yan. Panangin, almost getting it through. Manuel is there with a smile and Shaina is going to score. The Lady Knights lose by 7 in the first set. Estrelier gets us going here in the second. Abby Segi with a lot of firepower. Yun lang! Dapat ang kalkulasyon mo dyan.
Ay, oo.
Of course, in Lasal, you had one of the best blockers of all time, or two of the best blockers in all time, in M. Penetrante and Jack Alarca.
Yes. Uy, may special appearance si Jack Alarca, ha? Nakita ko yun sa Facebook. Nanood ng game.
Ba, sana ba?
Dinaanan ko siya. Hindi ko kasi ina-expect din.
Oo.
Alam ko busy siya sa buhay.
Well, busy na siya here with Letran.
Yes.
As both teams are now busy with this rally. Morty puts it away.
Well, actually, meron, pero lumusot.
Juris getting to that one. Morty again. This time denied by Estrelier. Kabila, lilipat. Segi!
Bigay na bigay. Look at that.
Boy, Adamson looks to be a strong contender. Estrelier. Down 4 ngayon. Itong kuponan na Letran here in the second. Shaina!
Ayan na.
Baga sa boxing, sinuntok-suntok muna yung braso. Ngayon nakababa na yung braso. Yan na, puro pa knockout na yung titirahin. Ni Nitura. Martin. Sagaysay goes to Shaina again!
Yung punta yung bola. Walang nahawakan itong Letran sa blocking.
Biga. Estrelier getting it to Martin, finding an open spot.
So ngayon may palitan tayong nangyayari for blocking ito.
Rocha sometimes gets the start, but she comes off the bench today. Sapienza sends it to Rocha. May pinag-usapan silang play kanina nung nag-aanda silang bumalik. And a block point for...
Grabe yung depensa ng Adamson. Sarado talaga yung blocking nila eh.
Shaina, short serve. Estrelier saves it. And Judiel is turned back. But lalabas ang block away. Para kay Coach JP Yude. Free ball. Sagaysay combination. Abby Segi again. And this one, Abby Segi. May konting tulong pa sa net kung walang... Estrelier. Maikling set lang papunta kay Padilla. Here comes Shaina. Can she save it? Yes, she can. Estrelier on the 1-2. Natalie knew na magkakaroon ng problema after Shaina Nitura left her spot. At sabi naman ni Estrelier, ako na bala. Lapit sa net. Silva saves. Estrelier on the back set to Judiel. Yes!
Favorite down the line.
Oh, and she got that off one of the best liberos in the competition. Ito si Juris Manuel. Sagaysay, Shaina. At nagkabanggaan yung magkapatid. Itatawid. Back set kayo on Abby Segi off the hands. Thompson, 2 down. Nitura gets it through the defense of her.
Dito si Dote eh. Look at that.
At iniwasan ni Judiel si Shahid. One set point save. At sabi ni Eloy, ako na ang bahala. Here is Panangin, attacking Aposaga. Back set ngayon, Segi. Kept alive, may bago setter dito. Ito si Flores. Playing for Adamson, and there is Shaina.
Siya sa likod. Look at that. Ang lakas talaga ng impact ng palo niya. Kahit...
Adamson 2-0 so far here in the third. Here is the other Nituras, Judiel. Pushed again by Abby Segi.
Di lang.
Sagaysay with the ace.
Niyumuan.
Silva getting to that one. Quick play. Papunta dito kay Napal. Their new middle attacker. And Tudao scores. Morty. Grabe wind up niya sa kanyang serve. Nitura cut shot. It could have been double contact against Tudao. They didn't call it. Colendra trying to drop it in. Free ball coming up for Letran. Flores goes to Napal and she is a victim of a single blow. Still a jump serve coming from Mordi. Great reception by Lara Silva. Down the line, Nitura. They'll go to Shaina this time. Silva is now on point sa kanyang mga digs. Sagaysay going to Segi again. But there's a net touch on. Dug up by Aposaga. Shaina. Colendra again. Off speed this time. Shaina gets to it. Back set. Papuntang back row. Abang naman si Napal.
Sa bunutan pa lang teammates. Huling-huli. Pagtalikod ang celebration nila sa bunot kay Napal.
Yung skill set na dinadala nito si Marjorie Napal. Hey! Sabi ni Segi, tama na yung celebration. Opposite hitter. 11-2 Adamson. Judiel Nitura, lone source of... Sagaysay. Middle attack this time coming from Segi. Getting some minutes in that middle blocker position. Martin turned back. In the middle pa rin tayo. Isar can't score. Shaina. Yes!
Walang relax na palo to.
Long rally. Martin. And again, it is Mordi. Shaina ends it.
Tinapos.
Pag kailangan mo na talaga ng puntos, just go to this young lady. Sapienza, a quick play to Camille Jonicio. Sapienza, combination with Bascon. Still can't score. Off the hands, Bascon. Block point ends it.